The Boeing E-18G Growler is the Department of Defense's most advanced electronic attack platform, and the only one in production and operation today. A variant of the combat-proven FA-18F Super Hornet. The Growler brings speed, maneuverability. Ladies and gentlemen, from the left, the split brake. The lead Growler in today's performance is flown by Lieutenant Bob. The crowd, nice man is decelerated and set it up for their minimum speed, maximum climb profile known as the Cobra maneuver. With sophisticated flight control computers, large control surfaces, and two powerful General Electric F414 engines, up to 7.5 Gs in order to bleed off excess airspeed. Four on board, so I'll go at that 3/4 mile call the ball. 504, cruising ball, 6.9, nice man. That's your ball. You're high, so we're gonna do. Wave off, foul there.
Ladies and gentlemen, from in front of the crowd, the Growler head-on split brake.
Split brake, the lead aircraft calls for a quick 90-degree left turn. The section will now assume a trail formation with Growler 2 following the flight path of its flight lead, setting up for the tactical pitch maneuver. Ladies and gentlemen, from the left at 300 knots at 200 feet, the Growler tack pitch. From your left, at high speed, the reaction brake. Ladies and gentlemen, the dual Cobra. Spirit, let's make some noise.